Our motto is live your dream, which is exactly what this vehicle allows our customers to enjoy. My name is Scott Allen, and I'm the CEO of EarthRoamer. We are the world's premier manufacturer of luxury, off-road, off-grid expedition vehicles. It's almost a spiritual experience that you have with our vehicles because it allows you to go places that no other vehicle can get to, and then to enjoy views that people just aren't able to see. The wonderful thing about our great country is there's 595 million acres of national forest and Bureau of Land Management land that allows free camping. That's the size of 5 Californias. So there's some place for you to roam in this country. Our company was formed in 1998. Our founder, Bill Swales, set out to build the world's best vehicle for doing what he did. Extended periods of time in very extreme climates, very extreme terrain, and he wanted to be comfortable when he did it. And after he built the first one, a lot of people asked him, hey, this is a great vehicle. I'd like one as well. And that's when he formed the company. So we've been in business for 26 years now. The first 18 years, we actually relied on a composites vendor to fabricate our fiberglass camper shells. In 2017, we decided we wanted to move our camper shells away from the traditional hand-lay fiberglass process to a vacuum infusion process utilizing carbon fiber to improve our quality, but primarily to decrease our weight. The current composites vendor we were using wasn't necessarily up for that task. We had some knowledge, but not enough. And so we wanted to partner with a leader in the industry that would help us out both with materials, processes, hands-on training, and literally helping us develop our core competence of our carbon fiber fabrication. So Composites One, leader in the industry, as we consider ourselves to be the leader in our industry, it really was just a match made in heaven for both of us. So while we had an overall concept in mind, hey, we want to do this, really at the end of the day, particularly with composites processing, the devil is in the details. And so we needed a partner that could take us literally from womb to tomb of the composites process. So everything that we do, from the use of our consumables, our gel coats, the fabrics we use, the resins we use, and then teaching us, the process of vacuum infusion, which is a little bit of art and a whole lot of science. So having that technical know-how from the Composites One staff was critical to us getting up and running. When we first started, we were doing roughly about 15 to 18 camper shells a year. We're now at over 40 camper shells a year, and here in the near future, hope to be doing about 60 to 80 camper shells probably within the next 5 years. Honestly, this may sound a little bit weird, but the biggest benefit is I don't worry about my composite supply chain at all in my role. I let Composites One worry about that for me.